primary reason for moving to Kenya is that if we look to 2030 and we want to have a lot of electric vehicles and we want to have a lot of solar power all across Kenya and all across East Africa, that development needs to happen now. Solar power is on good way, but electric mobility, nothing has happened, and the development is concentrated to developed nations. So we want to make sure that we can have a good engineering base that's local, that's Kenyan, that knows how to design, produce, manufacture, and service these vehicles. So that's why we moved to Kenya. We need to accelerate the transition that needs to happen within the transport sector of Kenya. So the vision is to be a big part of having as much impact as we possibly can on the transport sector, both in Kenya and in East Africa. And this includes electric safari vehicles. That's a great area to start. Where we want to move on to, and the segments we want to hit more is motorcycles. Having electric motorcycles would reduce urban emissions by vast amounts. Having electrified local public transport would also make a huge difference. And we don't only want to do this in Kenya, we want to do this in the whole of East Africa, Tanzania, Rwanda, and expanding to sub-Saharan Africa, Botswana, Namibia, Zambia, Zimbabwe, etc. So we really want to make sure that we build a good base for electric vehicle development in this region, and then that development can spread to other countries. We all have to be part of this transition. We only have a couple of years before all countries need to transition to a fossil-free economy, and we, as a human society, needs to live in better harmony with nature. There is no one that can say that I have no responsibility in this. We're all in this together, we're all in the same boat, and with that realization you can either see that, okay, so it's everybody's responsibility, then I won't do anything, or you can see it as it's everybody's responsibility, so I will do what I'm good at. So I'm taking what I know, what I can do, and trying to do as much as possible with that, and it's all part of a bigger picture.